Welcome, I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Common Subjective Past Question 33. The transformation of raw materials into finished goods that are acceptable to the final consumers is known as dash production. A. Direct, B. Indirect, C. Primary, D. Secondary, E. Tertiary. So we are looking at a form of production which involves transformation of raw materials into finished goods. So let's look at each of the options best fits that description. So direct production is a form of production or the type of production in which an individual produces goods and services for family use or consumption only. Now, option B, which is indirect, is a form of or a type of production in which goods and services are produced in large quantity or large scale, mainly for sales or exchange. Now, option C, which is primary production, refers to the extraction of raw materials provided by nature. Option D, which is secondary, refers to the transformation or conversion of raw materials into final forms acceptable to the consumer. And lastly, option E, which is tertiary, is provision of commercial and professional services to people. So from these definitions we have given, option D, which is secondary production, is what we describe as the transformation of raw materials into final forms acceptable to the consumer, and that is what is described in the question. So the correct answer to the question is D, secondary production. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.